Let's talk about something simple, safe, and surprisingly powerful. High-yield savings accounts. If your money is sitting in a regular savings account earning almost nothing, you are quietly losing money to inflation. A high-yield savings account helps fix that problem without taking big risks. In this video, I'll explain what a high-yield savings account is, how it works, and why millions of Americans are switching to them. I'll also cover the pros, the cons, and who should actually use one. No complicated finance talk. Just real clarity. First, what is a high-yield savings account? It's a savings account that pays a much higher interest rate than traditional banks. While many big banks pay around 0.01%, high-yield accounts can pay 4% or more. That difference matters. If you keep $10,000 in a low-interest account, you might earn $1 a year. In a high-yield savings account, that same money could earn $400 or more with no extra effort. So how can these accounts pay more? Most high-yield savings accounts are offered by online banks. They don't have expensive branches or large staff, so they pass those savings back to you through higher interest rates. Now let's talk safety. This is important. High-yield savings accounts are typically FDIC insured, just like traditional banks. That means your money is protected up to $250,000 per depositor. In simple terms, your money is safe. You are not investing in stocks. You are not risking market losses. This is still a savings account, just a smarter one. How does interest work in these accounts? Most high-yield savings accounts compound daily or monthly. That means you earn interest on your original money, plus the interest you've already earned. Over time, compounding makes a real difference. Your money starts working for you quietly in the background. No trading, no stress, just steady growth. So, who should use a high-yield savings account? Almost everyone. They are perfect for emergency funds, short-term savings, and money you don't want to risk in the stock market. If you're saving for a vacation, a car, a down payment, or just peace of mind, this is one of the best places to keep that cash. It keeps your money liquid, meaning you can access it when you need it. Now, let's be honest about the downsides. High-yield savings accounts are not designed to make you rich. They help protect and grow cash, but they won't beat long-term stock market returns. Another downside is limited transactions. Most savings accounts limit how often you can withdraw money each month. That's not usually a problem, but it's something to be aware of. Interest rates also change over time. When the Federal Reserve raises or lowers rates, your savings rate can go up or down. The rate you see today may not be the rate forever. Still, compared to traditional savings accounts, high-yield accounts are almost always the better choice. They give you flexibility, safety, and much better returns on idle cash. Opening a high-yield savings account is usually simple. You can apply online in minutes. Most accounts have no monthly fees and low or no minimum balance requirements. Before choosing one, compare a few key things. Look at the interest rate, fees, FDIC insurance, and how easy it is to move your money in and out. Also check customer support and mobile app quality. Since these are online banks, a good app and fast support really matter. Here's the big takeaway. A high-yield savings account is not flashy, but is one of the smartest, lowest-effort financial moves you can make. If your cash is sitting in a low-interest account, doing nothing, you are leaving money on the table. Switching to a high-yield savings account puts that money back to work, safely. Smart money habits are not about complexity. They are about making better default choices. And this is one of those choices that just makes sense. Thanks for watching. If this helped you understand high-yield savings accounts more clearly, consider subscribing for more simple, practical money explanations. Your future self will thank you.